Imagine this, you and a friend search the same topic on social media, but you end up seeing funny videos from friends sees political posts and others sees conspiracy theories. Same search, different result. This is not an accident. It's the work of algorithms, the invisible system deciding what appears on the screen. Today, we will explain how this algorithm shapes what we see and even what we believe. Number one, what exactly is social media algorithm? A social media algorithm is a set of instructions that decides which content to show you. It watches your behavior, what you click, what you like, what you scroll past, what you watch repeatedly, and how long you pause on a video. Based on all of this, algorithms build a profile of you. If you watch cooking videos, it shows you more cooking. If you pause on a gossip, it gives more gossip. If you get emotional about certain topics, it shows most of those. Algorithms are designed to capture your attention, not to show the full truth, by Pariser 2011. So number two, how algorithms personalize your online world. You are not seeing the entire internet. You are seeing your version of the internet. Algorithms filters content to make you feel tailored to you, creating personalized feed. This personalization has two effects. A, it's convenient. You get content you enjoy. You see things that match your interest. B, it creates blind spots. You stop seeing content outside your usual preference. This forms what Pariser 2011 calls a filter bubble. So Pariser in 2011, the filter bubble, what the internet is hiding from you, from Penguin Press.
Number 3, algorithms create echo chambers. An echo chamber is when you mostly see opinions that match your own. Here's how it happens. Number 1, you like certain content. Number 2, the algorithm notices. Number 3, it repeats similar content. Number 4, suddenly you think everyone agrees with me. But that's only true inside your feed. Examples, watch fitness content. Your feed becomes fitness focused. Watch political content. Your feed reflects only one side. Watch negative posts. Negatively becomes your daily feed. Algorithms don't check truth or balance. They simply promote what keeps you engaged. Number 4, how algorithms quietly influence what you believe. Because your feed is customized, it shapes what you think is normal, what your opinions seem popular, what issues appear important, what trends you follow. The more you see something, the more real it feels. Examples, constant beauty standards, you feel pressure to look a certain way. Constant negative news, you think the world is more dangerous than it is. Only one political viewpoint, you assume other views are wrong. Topic C 2017 explains that algorithms even influence social movements, public behaviors, and the spread of ideas. Nobly SU 2018 Algorithms of Operation, how search engines reinforce racism, new press. Topic CZ 2017 Twitter and tears gas the power and fragility of network protests. Yale University Press.
5. Why understand the algorithms matters. This talk isn't about being in social media, it's about being aware of how it shapes our thinking. Understanding algorithms help us first is critical thinking. We ask, do I believe this because it's true or because it's a theory? Recognize our bubbles. We learn that our feed is only one version of reality. Seek of diverse viewpoints. We start intentionally explore outside an algorithm suggestion, avoiding manipulation. We are less likely to influence by misinformation, bias, or segregation. Egg vacuum throw. Instead of being shaped by algorithm, we shape our own online experience. And algorithms are powerful tools. They choose what we see before we even notice. And because of that, they influence what we believe. So the next time you scroll, remember, you are not just choosing what to watch. The algorithm is choosing that to show. And the more we understand how it works, the more information we aware and in control we became. According to Chavitsky Z, 2017 Winter Tear Gas and the Power of the Fragility of Network podcast, Yale University Press.